Hey y'all, so it is the day before Thanksgiving. I have 1,000 things to do today. I'm about to run out, but I could not leave without telling y'all about these Black Friday deals. Hold on, let me turn on my microphone. I will not be editing this video at all, so if it is a little bear with me, okay? But last minute Black Friday deals from Walmart. I was on the website last night and I'm like, dang, they got some really good stuff on here. So I started taking a whole bunch of screenshots so I could just come on here and tell y'all about it. So we're gonna rapid fire through them. I got about 35 items or so. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So the first thing that I have is a 6-foot flock Christmas tree for $66.99. If y'all are still looking to decorate or need a tree this year, $66.99 for a 6-foot flock tree. Pretty good. Men's pajama pants with about 10, 12 different variations are on sale for $7. $7 men pajama pants. They have a flameless candle set. I own this set myself. It is $12.99. I actually have this in my office. Really good set, really good look. $12.99, good home decor. So next, if you are a content creator and you need a light, or you have a teenage kid that likes all of the different color lights in their room, they have the floor lamp light, which I own this one as well. It just sits in the corner and it gives off all different colors. This one is on sale for Black Friday for $14. Okay. Next, a really good deal. They have a 6-piece luggage set, 6 pieces, y'all. So you get 4 different size suitcases, a duffel, and a cosmetic pouch for $113. All right. Next up, we have a Vizio 4K TV, 65 inches, y'all. 65-inch television, $228. $228, Vizio 65-inch. Another good one for the kids, Apple AirPod 4s. Apple AirPod 4s, $69. Okay. I'm like, these pretty good, Walmart. These are pretty good, okay? Next up, we have pajama sets for us women. They come with the top and bottom, and these are running for $18.99. $18.99, and as you can see down there at the bottom, there are a couple different variations. Really popular are these sets. The first brand that started it was like Carrot or whatever. They got really popular on TikTok, but they have similar companies that kind of do the same type of cooking sets, these right here. And this one here is on sale for $66, and it's 22 pieces. So a 22-piece cook set, $66. All right. We rolling, y'all. I got to get to the grocery store. I got some last minute stuff I got to get. All right. Pretty good one. They have a Acer Chromebook, a 15-inch Chromebook. So if you have some college students, or if you need a laptop for yourself, really good price at $109. Acer 15-inch laptop, $109. These are actually really good deals. All right. Another laptop. If you don't want to go with the brand Acer, want a more known brand, they have an HP 15-inch laptop for $299, which is still a really good price for a laptop, because I think for mine it was way over $1,000. Okay. Ladies, this is a really good thing to have. This is a car jump starter pack. So, you know, most of the time they have the jumper cables. Well, this one, as long as it's charged up, you don't need another car to jump it. It will jump your car if you need it. And this jump pack for your car is only $33. My dad has one of these and it really does come in handy. So I want to make sure that I put that one on there. Anybody into Legos or kids into Legos, they have a Lego Star Wars builder set, and it's only $40. And it's like the spaceship. It is only $40. Legos are a pretty big deal. All right, next up, if you know, you know, I actually just learned. So let me say that. I actually just learned, but from my nephew. My nephew loves these things. He brought some over to the house, and when I tell y'all, it kept him playing for hours. These are magnetic tiles, and you can build all kind of houses and towns and all kind of stuff. But y'all, this huge set right here is only $15. $15. My nephew is 2. When I tell you he played for hours with these things, it actually was really fun. I'm actually thinking about getting this for him because why not? He can have as much as he wants. Okay. Another good Black Friday deal is the Keurig. This is a K Duo Essential Hot and Iced Single Serve. Never even knew that they could do that, but it's a hot and iced coffee maker with Keurig for $79. Give it to us then, Walmart. I'm saying. Those of you in the market for a printer, Canon has a wireless inkjet printer. Y'all not finna believe this price. A Canon wireless inkjet printer for your home office. $29. $29, y'all, for the Canon. All right. Next up, another TV. I have one of these, so I wanted to include it because this is a really good TV. We've had 2 of these. It's a Hisense 55-inch TV. It actually comes with Roku on there as well. It is on sale for Black Friday for $168. And again, that is 55 inches. It's a nice size TV. Alrighty. G-Shock watches are in, y'all. G-Shock watches are back in. If you have a teenager, or if you have a man that is really active and he wants a watch that is very durable, they have a G-Shock, this black and blue one, which I think looks really nice, for $79. $79 for the G-Shock. All right. Air purifier. Have an air purifier. My husband, child, dust, everything, just get him to sniffing. They have a HEPA air purifier for large rooms up to 1,600 square feet for $59. Air purifier, $59. All right, almost there, y'all. Another really good gift for all of our music lovers or just people that love headphones. They have the Beats Solo 4s for $79, and they come in 4 different colors. $79 for the Beats. Okay. This one I loved. I was so happy. We are a Croc family. We love Crocs around here. Y'all, they have Crocs on sale for $25, basically half off. This is what they look like. They're the ones that actually say Croc here on the side. They are $24.99, normally $49.99. Y'all know Crocs run for $50. But when I tell y'all all the different variations, y'all, they had so many different colors. They even had these cute Christmas printed ones. I mean, $25, baby. Everybody getting Crocs, okay? All right. This is a really good one. Y'all, if y'all mid-age like me, okay, y'all already know a heating pad is a must. Those times, sometimes our backs just be aching or whatever. But I thought this was really good because I'm actually in the market for a new heating pad. Our heating pad is old, but they have this heating pad that attaches to you. It is only $17.99. And let me show you some of the other pictures that I screenshot so you can see. You can like sit with it so you don't have to necessarily like hold it. It wraps around you. It snaps around the collar and then it ties around the waist. But yeah, it is only $17.99. Another really good deal that I saw for Luggage, if you didn't like the look of the other ones, this set right here is a 3 set for $69. I like black luggage. That's just my preference. It just, you know, gets less damage, but the black is on sale for $69. All of the other colors y'all see, they have 100 different variations down here for $74.99, but the black one is only $69 and you get 3 different sizes. Okay. All right. Also have women's pajama pants as well. Remember, the men's pajama pants were $7. The women's pajama pants, the Christmas pants, are only $5, and it is 4, yeah, like 4 different prints. So these are cute. $5. Almost there, y'all. This one was really good, and I did my research on this one, y'all. I really went in and read the description because I wanted to see how this connects, y'all. But this is a projector, a 4K mini projector for only 41. Is that 41 or 47? 41.77. This mini projector, y'all. It says that this mini projector, because this was the part I was worried about. I'm like, how does it even connect? This one, it has a cable, a HD cable included, and compatibility with TV sticks. So like your Fire sticks or whatever, your Roku sticks, game consoles, PCs, smartphones, tablets, laptops, and USB pen drives. So you can literally connect any device to this, and you can have a projector. So this would be really good if you have, you want to take it outside, you want to take it while you travel. If the kids want to sit up and put the TV on the ceiling, like, this is really good for that. $41, can't beat it. Another deal I thought was really good, y'all, is this ice maker. Y'all, if y'all need ice, y'all know how important ice is, but this make that good ice. This like that good Sonic ice, like the little ice cubes. This ice maker is $132. This original price for this thing was $319, y'all. $319, on sale for $132. So you always have ice, okay? All right, next, almost there. Oh, the actual carrot set. Remember, I showed y'all the set earlier. If you want the actual brand that started it all, carrot cookware set, non-stick cookware. This is 15 pieces for $53.99. All right, so Walmart say we got the name brand too. All right, y'all, just about 4 more, almost there. I thought this was really good. It's Christmas time. We're going to need them. They got a pack of AAA batteries for Energizer. 16 pack is only $10. 16 pack of batteries, only $10. Okay. Everything that I'm mentioning to y'all should be able to click and shop. There should be a shopping list here on the side somewhere right under the video. Just tap that and you should be able to click it and see everything that I'm mentioning and go straight to Walmart and purchase. Y'all, this is another really good Apple product. They have the Apple Watch on sale for $129. Great deal for you, kids, teenage deal, whatever, whomever. Okay, whomever. We love Apple products. Well, I do anyway. Just some quick home decor that I found. I saw this cabinet, which is similar to one that I have, and I actually like it a lot. This is with Better Homes and Gardens. This is the Juliet Kitchen Rounded Arch Cabinet in rich black. They have it on sale for $232. Nice cabinet. Another item that I have one similar, but people ask me about it all the time. Right here where I'm sitting in my vanity, I get a lot of questions about this. I pieced my vanity together, so I had to buy the desk, and then I bought the lighted mirror on top. But this one right here, you don't have to do all that, y'all. It comes all together, and it looks really nice. It even comes with 9 drawers. This is running for $149. This huge vanity for $149, and it comes with the seat. I mean, come on. Come on. All right. And then the last thing, which I put in my cart immediately because I actually went to Walmart yesterday and I just wanted a quick set that I could throw on. They had the Scoop sweat sets in store. They were 20 or 24 a piece for Black Friday, y'all. They have it for 12. I want to make sure. Yes. $12. Brand is by Scoop. So see the pants are $12, and then the tops are also $12. But this is what the whole set looks like that I was going to purchase yesterday. When I tell you this is a nice sweatsuit, it's like the soft sweatsuit material, so it's not like cotton on the outside. It's a little elastic in it, so it's very slinky, but it flows over the body nice. That's how I can describe the fabric. But top and bottom are $12 each, so you can get a whole set for $24. I mean, come on now, can't beat it. I threw that thing in the cart immediately. All right, so that was it, y'all. That was the last item. Like I said, I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all real quick what is going down for Black Friday, y'all, because Walmart, actually, these are some of the better deals that I found as I've been doing some of my Walmart research. I mean, Black Friday research this season, except for Coach. Coach is killing it. I have a video up about the Coach products that are on sale. All these great gifts that are under $100. Everything was under $100. So check out that video too. All right. I hope y'all have a happy Thanksgiving. I'm about to get in these streets so I can get back home and start cooking. All right. I'll see y'all later.